This just in, TikTok has decided to take the US government to court. What does this mean? In a recent bill that was passed by the US House of Senate that was stating that we are forcing TikTok's parent company ByteDance to either sell TikTok or to have it banned on US soil. Now, this is a very tough move for ByteDance, and TikTok has everywhere all over the globe, not just in the United States. But in this particular video, we're going to discuss what is the likelihood of TikTok taking this particular matter to court, and what are the likely implications of TikTok actually winning and overturning this bill. In today's video, we're going to discuss everything concerning whether TikTok will indeed succeed in overturning the bill that is forcing ByteDance to either sell TikTok or have it banned in the United States. So, welcome Simply Legal, and let's discuss all of this moving forward. Welcome back to Simply Legal. My name is Kahuma, the usual host on this channel. And before we begin, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and most importantly, share this video with everyone who you'd want to know whether TikTokers in the United States and all over the world have a fighting chance against the United States government. And also, before we begin this, please, for anyone who is looking for a lawyer, for any TikToker in the United States who needs a lawyer who can represent them to fight this bill that has been passed by the US House of Senate, please go to my legal mobile app called Famiron. Famiron is an app which connects people and lawyers together, offering so many services, legal services which protect and give you, empower you, protect your rights, and give you legal services which will initially benefit and promote your life moving forward. We have so many lawyers on the app that will help you with whatever situation that you have, and these range from land law issues, family law, cybercrime, human rights, and the like. So please go into the app on Apple Store and Play Store, download it, and please get a lawyer at your fingertips. So let's go straight to the point. The United States House has passed a bill which is forcing TikTok to either sell it within a space of 9 months, or they're going to ban it from Apple Store or Play Store. Now, make no mistake, Apple Store and Play Store, which are very common on our smartphones, are monopolized by the US government. This is because Apple Store and Play Store are both companies which are emanating from the United States. Now, they asked the CEO of ByteDance, who is the CEO of the TikTok app, that you know what, we are going to either force you to sell your app within 9 months to a likely American buyer, someone who is interested in buying the app, or we are going to ban it from Apple Store or Play Store. Now, the CEO was even telling the House of Senate that, you know what, TikTok is a very friendly app. TikTok has never had any issues concerning people's right to privacy, because that was the premise for which the US government was passing this bill. Now, even though the CEO of ByteDance had already given the House of Senate that, you know what, the privacy of Americans is actually safe on our app, we're not giving our app to the Chinese Communist government. The US government is still not safe, or they're still worried, they're still not comfortable with the fact that ByteDance is a Chinese company, and ByteDance owes its allegiance to the Chinese Communist Party. Now, the Chinese Communist Party can ask for data or ask any Chinese company for any single thing if at all they feel the need to ask for it. Now, the major worry is that the United States government is worried that TikTok or the TikTok app could be used as a spying sort of software, or a spy sort of software or network under which the Chinese government can then spy on the US government. Now, since this bill was passed last Wednesday, President Joe Biden signed and assented to this bill. He's basically saying that, you know what, I have indeed put my signature on this, and if TikTok is not sold within 9 months to an American buyer, or someone who is anonymous wants to buy it, then we're going to have it banned on Apple Store or Play Store. Now, the CEO of TikTok or ByteDance has said that, you know what, I indeed want to actually take this to court. I think I need to take this to court and see to it that indeed this is not going to happen. This is very unconstitutional. Therefore, what are the legal actions under which ByteDance can have a very good sounding case in court? Number one, ByteDance CEO is saying that we are taking this bill to court by way of a petition, and we are going to petition this particular bill forcing me to either sell TikTok or have it banned from the US. Number one, I'm taking this particular case to court saying that by banning TikTok, this is a violation of a right to free speech by all Americans, because according to the US law, the First Amendment gives every citizen of the United States free speech and freedom of expression. So basically, if you are forcing me, the CEO of ByteDance, to either sell TikTok or to have it banned because you're worried about people's right to privacy, then I think that is a violation of the First Amendment right, and that is a right to freedom of expression. Then also the right to have a company in a foreign country. Now, TikTok and ByteDance originally also have a branch in the United States because it is a very big major player in the entertainment and media industry. Now, it is very essential for any CEO of an app to have presence in another country. Now, if at all they are to ban the app, then they are going to ban the entire business of ByteDance, which is a TikTok app. Now, by banning TikTok, we have around 170 million Americans, that is half the population of the United States, having their businesses there. So by banning it, you are stopping ByteDance from having a source of income in the United States, and then that even destroys so many income streams that are being promoted in the United States by use of TikTok, because so many people are having businesses on TikTok. They have clothing lines, so many people are influencers, and so basically TikTok is a source of income for so many people in so many ways. So the legal actions that the CEO of ByteDance can take in terms of taking this particular bill to court, meaning that it can even be overturned. So the good thing is that the US is a very democratic country, and even if a bill has been passed, still it can be challenged in court or in any court system. So I just wanted to bring that particular aspect to you, that it is not yet set in stone, but it is a very high likelihood that the CEO of ByteDance is actually going to petition this particular bill in either the Supreme Court of the US or any other court that can or that has jurisdiction to hear this particular matter. So please, let's pray for our TikTokers. Let's pray for ByteDance, because I think this is a violation of right to privacy, a violation of also right to freedom of expression and the First Amendment rights of the United States citizens. But also, freedom of expression is a universal right. This is a right that are even enshrined in the United States charters. So it is by banning an app, you are killing so many businesses, so many hearts, so many things with one stone, and that stone is actually negative. So thank you everyone for listening to me, and until next time, I remain yours truly, Terry Kahuma. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and most importantly, please, let's keep praying for the CEO of ByteDance. I think TikTok is a very good app for everyone to have, and it doesn't ruin anyone's chances of prospering in this world. I don't think the privacy of Americans is being infringed on. I think this is something the US government is using to justify them controlling TikTok. But let's just see how everything goes. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye.